So good day everyone. So our topic for today is about our shell. So this is our diagram for our problem solving. So this is a brush and this is a steel. So this is torque and 3.15 na problem. So we have a given of T max na 15 psi. So itong diameter is 1 half over 1.5 is equals to 0.75 inches. So shop PC patay mo na yung given sa shop AB. So this is sa shop BC. So T sa sharing stress, we have share maximum stress, we have 8 psi. So we have a diameter of 1 half times 1.8 is equals to 0.9 inches. So solution is we have PC over J, or J is equals to 1 half over C to the power 4. So we have T is equals to pi over 2. We have C cube shares maximum sharing stress. So we have shop AB of T is equals to 1 pi over 2. We have times 0.75 cubic. So we have 9 times 15 and equals to 9.94 kip inches. So we have shop BC and T is equals to pi over 2 times 0.90 cubic times 8 is equals to 9.16 kip inches. So the allowable torque is the smaller value of T is equals to 9.16 kip inches. So in problem 3.16, we have a given of shop AB is T max is equals to 15 psi and shop BC have shearing maximum stress 8 psi and we have a torque of 10 kip inches. So our solution is shop AB diameter cube is equals to 2 times 10 over 5 times 15 is equals to 0.4244 inches cubic. So C is equals to square root of the power 3 times 0.4244. We have C is equals to 0.715 inches. So we have the diameter of 2 times 0.715 is equals to 1.503 inches. And shop BC, we have C cubic is equals to times 2 times 10 over 5 times 8 is equals to 0.79577 inches cubic. So we have A equals to square root of 3 is 0.79557 is atong C is 0.9267 inches. So itong diameter is 2 times 0.9267 na tayo diameter na 1.853 inches.